Maya walks across a pond on 8 stepping stones. Each stone is heavier than the one before by the same amount. The first stone is 5 kilograms. The second is 8 kilograms. The third is 11 kilograms. How heavy is the 8th stepping stone? Pause the video, try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. How much heavier does each stone get? Look at the first 2 stones. Stone 1 is 5 kilograms. Stone 2 is 8 kilograms. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now check the next pair. 11 minus 8 is also 3. The step is the same every time. 3 kilograms. We call this constant step D. So D equals 3. Now jump straight to stone 8. From stone 1 to stone 8 is 7 steps. Each step adds 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. Start at 5. Add 21. That gives 26 kilograms. The 8th stepping stone weighs 26 kilograms. This is the constant step rule. If every gap between terms is the same, then you can jump to any term using start plus step times position minus 1. Look for a list where each term is the one before plus the same amount. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.